Good morning, students. Welcome back to EVS class. I hope everybody is fine. I hope everybody is understanding all the concepts. I hope everybody has read and done the homework too. I also hope that everybody is watching the modules and videos which I have been sharing on the portal and the group. That day we had studied about the heart and the lungs, the various functions and how do they work. Today we'll be talking about stomach. But before talking about stomach, let's talk about what it actually does. Stomach takes all our food. It is responsible for storing and absorbing all the nutrients which we get from the food. Why do we eat food, children? We eat food in order to store energy and survive. If we won't eat food, we'll feel hungry and we'll die. If we do not fulfill our hunger and we'll starve, then we'll not be able to survive in this ecosystem. So the food is really important for our body. It is a kind of fuel, like the cars, the vehicles, namely trucks and the buses, they need fuels. Same way we also need fuel in the form of food. So food is the fuel for our body, which is responsible for giving us energy and nutrients, which is stored by the stomach and also absorbed there only. But the food that we eat cannot be used by our body as it is. It has to be transformed. It has to be changed into tiny particles to absorb it and to absorb the nutrients present inside it. Our body cannot take the food inside our stomach in that very size in which it was earlier. It has to be broken down into small pieces so that we can use the food in the best possible manner. And what is the use of the food? To create energy for our body so that we can survive, we can walk, we can talk, we can read, we can write, or we can do any of our day-to-day activities. And this full process of breaking down the food particles into very small parts and absorbing the nutrients inside our body is known as digestion. First of all, the food is put inside our mouth and then it is chewed with the help of the teeth. It is broken down into small particles with the help of the teeth, and then this food is sent to the stomach. But how does it go to the stomach? It goes with the help of the food pipe. Food pipe carries all the food to the stomach. Now this is the picture of digestive system. First of all, the food is given to the mouth. The food is turned into or broken down into smaller particles and then it gets into our stomach with the help of the food pipe or the esophagus. Food pipe or the esophagus, they are the same thing. Okay, so the food enters our body through our mouth and then it is broken down or chewed by our teeth into smaller particles and it is given to our stomach. It reaches to our stomach with the help of the food pipe or the esophagus. Here, in the stomach, the food mixes with several juices which is produced by the walls of the stomach. This juice further breaks down this food into a semi-solid paste, okay, which we excrete out. This semi-solid paste is pushed into the small intestine, and this is all about the process of digestion. So in short, the process of digestion involves the taking in of the food in the mouth and breaking them into small particles, and then this food is carried forward to the stomach with the help of the food pipe, or also known as the esophagus. This food pipe carries all the food which is broken down into smaller particles in the mouth to the stomach, and this stomach then creates this food in the form of semi-solid paste with the help of juices present inside the stomach walls. Then this food is transferred to the small intestine and then excreted out of our body. We'll be talking about excretion in the higher classes, but this process of digestion is all about the mouth, food pipe, stomach, and it ends in the small intestine. So the digestion process is all about breaking down the food into smaller particles and absorbing all the nutrients so that our body can get the ample amount of energy to survive. I hope you all have understood the process of digestion. I will be sharing the link on the portal regarding the module which is present on the Extra Marks Learning app. Thank you.